Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to go ahead and complete the meeting and send out the exports of the meeting, both public and internal. And I'm even going to show you how to change the colors in the exports to reflect branding for your company or something that you want to do to draw attention to the export. So, we're all done with our meeting, looked it over, we're good to go. You can always change later, but I just kind of like to make sure that I'm all done with the meeting. I have all my notes, my actionable intelligence, for example, and then I'm good to go. So I click on completed here. Now, based on your template, there may be other items for you to do when the meeting's completed. For example, select meeting insights or score the meeting. Again, that's all based on your template and can be deployed at any time going forward from the adoption perspective. So now I'm got my meeting completed, and I'm just going to save it because I'm just a firm believer in saving all the time. Now I want to export the report. So I click on it and click on Export Public. This is what I'm going to send to the customers or the meeting attendees outside of my organization. As you can see, it's just a standard PDF that I'm going to have to save locally. We are working on the ability to send it right out of Meeting Mapper without having to save it. But you can see that I have my name, my location, start time, end time, the attendees. Nothing here is going to get me in any trouble with the customers at all. You can also, as a note, brand Meeting Mapper based on your branding, your company. So you can change all this. Anything where you see that it says Meeting Mapper can be changed. So I just have to save this and send it to my meeting attendees. Again, you notice the colors. Private export. This is what I will send my boss. My boss is not logged into Salesforce, knows that I just had a big meeting and I don't want him or her calling me, so I'm just going to send this export to them and they can see the location, the account, if somebody is for why, if they're a champion why, based on my methodology, not because something that I feel, it's based on methodology. I have my notes, the public, and I also have my internal notes. If I had meeting insights, I would have those, what's hot, what's not, and my meeting score. And again, all of the next steps and my actionable intelligence is right here. So it's very easy for me to update my management very quickly without them having to call me, and I can move on to my next meeting. So remember these colors red right here. So what I can do real quick is I go in here and go to export, export settings, and I'm going to change the color of the export, and I'm going to change it to blue, and I'm going to change the table color to maybe yellow or green, yellow green, and I can also change the font size to 18 point, and I'm going to save it. Now when I go back into the export, you're going to see that I changed it all right here very quickly. We also have a global setting that the administrator will set up. So with Meeting Mapper, during this whole series, I've created a meeting, I've added meeting attendees, I've taken notes, I've taken actionable intelligence, I've created tasks, I've attached documents, I've updated the opportunity that I'm related to, I've saved it, and I've exported the meeting to my boss and the meeting attendees, all within Meeting Mapper. Again, single input, multi-output, consistency amongst Salesforce. Thank you.